Morning to all of you. Welcome to your TSN English class. This is your book Flamingo, chapter number 1, the last lesson. And before start with this paragraph, second paragraph of this page, I would like to tell you about that what we have read in our previous paragraphs. That there is a war between France and Prussia, and in that war, France was defeated by Prussia. And in this chapter, we have already learned that what are the effects after war and what are the effects before war. So there's a condition of a country before war and after war which is going on here, and here in this chapter there's a student whose name is Franz and his teacher Mr. Manjashri Hamel. So how he teaches, he loves his language, and basically in this chapter the importance of language when a country loses or losing a war, that after that how people felt about their language or about their country, because from the next day the language is like not followed by the people, because some other country people language like German language will be followed by or will be there in their country from the next day. So today I'll start your chapter from here only. But he had the courage to hear every lesson to the very last. After the writing, we had a lesson in history, and then the babies chanted their ba, bee, bo, boo. Down there at the back of the room, old Hauser, he had put on his spectacles and, holding his primer in both hands, spelled the letters with them. You could see that he too was crying. His voice trembled with emotion, and it was so funny to hear him that we all wanted to laugh and cry. Ah, how well I remember it, the last lesson. So here in these lines, but he had the courage to hear every lesson to the very last. So the people of that village, or the person who is talking about here, so the author of the chapter, he's talking about his courage, that उसमें कितना साहस है, that he is here at present and he is here to just attend the very last lesson of their language. After the writing, we had a lesson in history, and then the babies chanted their babi boo. So these are some expression or some saying or shout repeatedly in sing-song tone. This be-bye or all these things, these are some expression of singing song in a tone. So he's talking about his history teacher, that after this class, they are having their history class. Down there at the back of the room, old Hauser. So after that, the old Hauser had put on his spectacles. The old Hauser is a person who is like a farmer or old farmer, because that farmer who had come here in the school to attend the French class or the class, and he's showing his gratitude towards their language and the country. So that old Hauser, he put his spectacles, वो अपने spectacles को लगाता है, holding his primer in both hands, और primer को अपने दोनों हाथों में उठाता है, spell the letters with them, and he's just trying to speak up. You could see that he too was crying, and in that condition, we can see that, or the people, or the condition over there is that farmer is also crying over there. His voice trembled with emotion, and his voice is like trembled with emotions means वो आवाज़ भी उसकी अटक अटक के आ रही थी, and it was so funny to hear him that we all wanted to laugh and cry. And थोड़ा सा funny लगेगा ये सुनने में, but here narrator is trying to describe that they all felt the same emotions at the same time are going on, like laugh and cry. They wanted to laugh and cry. Ah, how well I remember it, दैट लास्ट लेसन, और किस तरह लास्ट लेसन को वो आगे अपनी पूरी लाइफ टाइम में याद रखेगा या रिमेंबर रखेगा. ऑल एट वन द चर्च क्लॉक स्ट्रक 12. देन द एंगलस एट द सेम moment the trumpets of the Prussians returning from drill sounded under our windows. Mr. Hamel, or Montessori Hamel, stood up very pale in his chair. I never saw him look so tall. So here, all at once the church clock struck 12, and after that all these things, जो क्लॉक है चर्च की क्लॉक, उसमें 12 o'clock का टाइम हो रहा है. देन द एंगलस द सेम मोमेंट द ट्रम्पेट्स ऑफ द प्रूशियन, जो प्रूशियन लोग हैं उनकी जो पूरी जो ट्रम्पेट्स हैं, जो पूरा उनकी बैंड क्रू है, वो पूरा जो है वहाँ पे उसकी आवाज़ उन्हें आ रही है. रिटर्निंग फ्रॉम ड्रिल, क्योंकि वो ड्रिल करके वापस आ रहे हैं. साउंडेड अंडर आर विंडोज़, और उनका जो साउंड है वो इतना लाउड है कि उनकी क्लासरूम की विंडोज़ के अंदर आ रहा है. ये सब सुन के मिस्टर हैमिल जो है वो खड़े हो जाते हैं, एंड ही इज़ लाइक वेरी पेल, और ही इज़ इन अ वेरी सैड कंडीशन. ही फेल्ट वेरी इमोशनल. आई नेवर सॉ हिम लुक सो टॉल. सो ऐसा लग रहा है कि मिस्टर हैमिल जो है आज से पहले इतना दुखी कभी नहीं थे. माई फ्रेंड्स सेड ही आई बट समथिंग चोक्ड हिम, ही कुड नॉट गो ऑन. उसका फ्रेंड कुछ कहना चाह रहा था, बट हिज वॉइस इज चोक्ड ड्यू टू दैट ही फेल्ट सैड and he is not able to speak at that time. Then he returned to the blackboard, took a piece of chalk, and bearing on with all his might, he wrote as large as he could. So after that he returned to the blackboard. He took a piece of chalk in his hand, and with that he wrote something on the blackboard, and that is vive la France. So that is something written in French language. Then he stopped and leaned his head against the wall. That means they are showing their respect with these lines, that फ्रांस और दिस लैंग्वेज, फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज को वो अपनी रिस्पेक्ट दे रहे हैं. दैट वी ऑल आर थैंकफुल about our country, or we felt thankful for the people of our country for this language. Then he stopped and leaned his head against the wall. वो वहीं रुका और उसने अपना सर जो है वॉल के पास ही अपना सर जो है झुका लिया. And without a word he made a gesture to us with his hand. और उसने बिना कुछ बोले हम ही सबको, सभी लोगों को कुछ जेस्चर्स या एक्सप्रेशंस शो करे. School is dismissed, you may go. And after that he said that school is over, now you can go to your home, or you may go now. So this is this lesson where English is a language, or this French is a language which contains some kind of feelings, or the people contain some kind of feeling for the language. And in that story people realize the importance of their language, the linguistic, how the linguistic chauvinism is important for the people, because it is inordinate love for one's own language. This love is so much that one considered language. And after that, when Berlin ordered that German language will followed after that, then this is like something very shocking for the people, because they are doing, from the next day they are not allowed to speak or follow their language in the school, or officially they are not allowed to use that language. So this is kind of a chapter where people realize the value of their own, very own language. Thank you, class.